Some time ago, I gave an order, but apparently it was not fully implemented, that anybody who wins a gold at a continental level, Commonwealth, or marathon. These other things of Bahrain, what, I don't know. I just want 3 things. Continental, African, Commonwealth, Olympics. I said once you get a gold medal, you should be paid 5 million shillings per month all the time. But now I was told that they were being paid quarterly. Quarterly, I didn't say quarterly. I speak English very well. I said monthly, maybe I didn't put it in the local language. Buli mwezi. That's what I said. And now, I can see some of the people here are rich people because they will have to be paid their back pay. What they should have been paid will be paid. Because I don't remember when I gave this order. I don't remember. It's some years ago, like 10 years or something. Huh? Somebody can tell me, remind me, which year was it? Come on the microphone and tell me if you know.
Your Excellency, it was 2013.
2013, that's now like 8 years ago. Yes.
Your Excellency, you first gave an order in 2011.
Okay.
For 1 million for all categories. Then in 2013, when we returned from Moscow, you then made a fresh order that a gold medal goes for 5 million, silver medal for 3 million, and a bronze medal for 1 million.
1 million. So, thank you. So this is my small way of how to support without the billions of Kenya, the billions. I'm still busy building the foundation. We lost a lot of time during the regimes of Amin and all that, but we can manage. A poor man can manage to look after his home and bring up children well. So I said 5 million for gold, Africa level, Commonwealth, and Olympics. Not these other Rome, Marine, I don't know. Those will confuse me. I just want the medal, African level, Commonwealth, and Olympics.